Deep breath in and out. Oh yeah, it's shocking. And breathe. And breathe. And breathe. So your back has been bothering you since you were like 7 or 8, but she wasn't first diagnosed with scoliosis until she was, what, about 14 you said? Okay. Actually, let me have you stand up. So I'm going to have you turn around. So now the one thing especially where you really notice, which I just want kind of everyone to see, now all of your pain is on this right side, correct? Okay. Let me have you just slowly bend forward. And so what you're noticing on the right side all through here, her ribs are protruding out like this, and then on the left side it's going more in. So what's happening is her entire rib cage is rotating like this.
I can feel the imbalance, like when I sit, like it's like one of my, like one side of me gets like higher than the other.
Okay.
So it's like when I sit down for a long period of time or stand up, it starts to hurt.
Let's go ahead and get started here. Take a deep breath in and exhale out. Good. One more time. And out. Good. I want you to scoot down on the table just a little bit. Yes, right there. And if it's easier, you can bring your arms, to your side. Okay. Let me have you sit up on the table and then straddle the table. Bring one leg on either side. Good. I'm gonna bring one arm open over. Bring the other arm open over here. Good. Keep your thighs to the table there. So here, we're gonna rotate you this way. Yep, look over the shoulder for me. Good. Relax your legs for me, okay? I want to have you held down just a little bit. Lift your head up for me. Good. There we go. Okay. And breathe. Deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. Oh yeah, it's shocking. And breathe. And breathe. And breathe.
Oh my God.
Yes. Wow. Relax. Lay there, lay there. Yeah. You're not moving right now. There you go. Let me have you sit on up. How are things feeling?
Oh my God, it feels so much better. Like it just feels so much lighter. Like I feel like it's almost like you don't realize how much stress is there until it's all gone, but it feels significantly different.
Headaches, neck, shoulder, upper back, middle back, lower back, hips. Give me a rundown. How are things feeling? What do you...
My neck just feels less, like there's no tightness anymore. I just feel like I feel more balanced. Like I have my footing. Like I often times I feel like I can just get pushed and then fall over just because I don't have my balance a lot of the times. But I just feel really good.
Okay. Perfect. This is how she needs to feel all the time. So.